So today we are back on the 1964 VW bus, and today the transmission is coming out. And when I say today the transmission is coming out, I mean 2 weeks ago we tried to take the transmission out and it didn't go so good. So yeah, 2 weeks ago, Mark and his son Max came over and we tried to take the transmission out because, well, the engine's already out. And the next step of the equation is to get the transmission sent off, rebuilt, and get the gears done differently. We probably ran into, though, is you can't just take the transmission out. The axles do not unbolt. So we tried for a long time to get the axles unbolted, just pop the transmission out, but it doesn't work that way. So the entire rear end on this car has to come out all together. It's called a swing axle, something like that. It's actually like an axle that goes to other gearboxes on the wheels, and so all this stuff comes out together. Even though we didn't get the transmission out, we did get some other work done though. We took the front window assemblies apart so they can be painted. Actually, fun fact, the guy who did all the paint work on this and didn't reassemble the car is going to paint the window frame, so that should be interesting. So we were just looking at the Raptor lining job underneath, and literally everything except for the brake master cylinder right here has been Raptor lined. Like the heater hoses, like the horn right here, it's all got a nice thick coating. So yeah,
even the tires have the rhino liner. Look at that.
Yeah, right.
Wow.
But I mean, this looks good. But yeah, today we're gonna get the transmission out for good. Mark's coming back over. I think we got some other help coming too. A little bit of a different crew today. Well, Mark, you know, we also have Clay. He's a certified VW engineer, so this is gonna be really easy. No, but Mark brought a legit workshop manual. So he has the workshop manual, and I asked ChatGPT for the instructions on how to remove the transmission.
Nice.
So he's gonna work off that. I'm gonna work off this, and we'll see how it goes.
Sounds good.
So according to ChatGPT, we first park the vehicle on a flat surface and chalk the front wheels. You know what? Done. Next step is to disconnect the battery. Check.
Check.
All right, now so it says remove the wheels, remove cotter pins, take off axle nuts, take off brake drums. It turns out the axle nut is just right there on the outside, so let the Volkswagen engineer do his thing. I think ChatGPT needs to drink a pickle beer because it told me 36 millimeter, and that is not 36 millimeter.
It's not even close.
No, we're gonna need a bigger wrench. Hold on, I forgot we have tractor sockets. So this does not get used often, but when it does, it gets used.
Oh yeah. We're like Tim Allen right now. I bet this one.
Everybody grab a different size, we'll see who's right. Oh, you got it?
It's not perfect, but
it'll probably do. That's way too big. Lefty loosey. Yeah, the internet does say use a cheater bar. Go ahead and try it, shall we? No, that's righty tighty. Just push down.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah, but
oh,
I'm spinning wheels.
Yeah.
Wow. You want some weight on it?
I don't know where you're going.
We can. Ready? Yeah. You're lifting the car. You're literally lifting the car.
Okay, that's not gonna work.
How do you feel about fire on your nicely restored car?
Absolutely.
Okay, now somebody lick it to see if it's hot enough.
Yeah, I'll do it.
It appears to be a little rusty.
A little bit.
I think it did move.
Really?
It did move. Look.
Oh, it did move.
Unless
Look at
that was the socket.
It could have been the socket.
Could have been the socket.
Oh wait, no. Where's the line for the cotter pin? It's gone.
Okay,
The
good.
hole.
So it did
No,
move.
it moved. Yeah, more PB blaster, more fire.
I hate to burst your bubble, but it's the cutter pin holes right there, and it's.
Dang it! Why did?
I'm a bubble
invite me
burster.
over? No, go home. All right, watch your face.
Go hard.
The emergency brake does not work. You guys do the hard work, I'll do this.
Okay.
It's still moving. Why are you guys not fatter?
Sorry.
Take 12, the Volkswagen engineer had the bright idea to ratchet strap a jack stand to the tire so it won't rotate. Only problem is he's not really an engineer.
Oh, what?
All right, send her home. Oh, it's not moving. Oh, it's kind of moving.
Does it need another clickety click on it?
No, the whole tire's moving.
I know, but like, does it need another?
Dang. Oh, you know what? It's lefty loosey. Oh, you're strong as an ox.
Look at you.
It's. How's it still rotating?
How is that not doing it?
It's lifting the whole wheel over the jack stand. Okay. That's pulling the whole ratchet.
I was gonna say something's gonna happen.
Oh, we crushed the jack stand.
Oh,
Look at that.
Man. Good job, engineer. Harbor
Wow.
Freight. Or is it Harbor Freight?
Hey, that's Craftsman, man.
But we can't say it was a failure because it worked. It just
Next time on Three Men, One Nut. So the engineer, not engineer, had a great idea. He said, let's go get our spirits up on the other side because we'll get that one off no problem,
Well,
right?
we either get our spirits up or we're gonna crush them completely.
Well, you know.
It's
We may have just graduated to destruction. I know how to use this thing.
Where is the fire extinguisher?
Ah. Maybe we just stare at it for a while.
Right. We're gonna stare it into submission.
That's all for
What were we at? 950?
950 degrees. We give another shot with the torch. I heard cracking too, so. Oh. The heck, man?
Ooh.
Is that hot now?
It's a little hot. The cat, so the where the cotter pin goes,
Yeah.
that hole, it hasn't even budged. We're still lined up with the cotter pin hole.
Oh yeah, stick some
Flammable stuff in there.
aerosol on there. Let's have a real party.
Oh, got it!
No way! And all it took was
1052 is the answer there.
1,052 degrees and it'll come off. Nice. Oh look, he can just do it like that.
it's easy, Mark.
You're super strong.
Did you try that? Just turning it? Okay, so we got that one loose. Do we want to try the other side now?
Yep. We know that 1050 is about the right temp. 800-ish. We're at 1,000.
We're 1,050 though.
Well, it was 1,040.
Oh, close enough, I guess.
If that 10 degrees makes a difference, that'd be wild, wouldn't it?
All right, are you gonna be the strong man this time?
Teamwork makes the dream work. No, that's never my job.
You wanna be the strongest?
The strong
No,
man.
you're this. I'm just here for show.
Higher. There you go. Higher. There you go.
Did it get too big for the socket?
Yeah. Like,
No way. It's bigger than the socket now.
okay, now
There you go.
Yep.
All right, crush that jack stand.
Roll that beautiful thing.
Nice. Wow.
So you just gotta turn it, Mark. You just have to.
Oh, you just have to turn it?
Yeah, that's
Oh,
how it works.
lefty loosey?
Yeah.
Oh, it's
gotta
cooling back down. You better hurry. You better hurry.
Man.
Where's that impact? Why are we doing this the hard way?
You can put that bar in the middle. That bar moves inside.
Yeah.
There you
now
go.
spin.
Yeah.
That's using both sides of your brain.
There you go, engineer.
Wow. All right, you can just grab that with your bare hands.
Yeah. And we can all go to the hospital together.
For a second there, I thought we were all gonna have to drink a pickle beer because the nuts would have gotten us.
But that's how you go 0 to awesome right there.
Yes. Good news. It's a different day, and since 3 men couldn't take off 2 nuts, we brought in reinforcements.
We brought the muscle.
So today, this thing is it's coming out. So Alan was just asking what has to be done, and so yeah, the whole rear end basically needs to come out just to get the transmission out because that's the way that guy designed it.
Right. My bad. The engineer.
So actually, that one started taking itself off just for me rolling it around. This one has not tried to move yet.
Okay.
Yeah. So that one's I think should just come right off. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the exact same transmission as the one that's in my
Yeah. So let's take that one off first then. Oh no, it's falling.
We got one.
Oh, Mark!
The manual says we've got to get some kind of puller, but
Yeah. Just no. It's coming off. When you did that, it started moving. Yeah. Here, get a rubber mallet. Hang on. Here, just whack it with that.
Whack it. Oh, never mind.
Wow, you're strong.
Surprise the crap out.
Oh, you got some stuff in there. Look at all that breaking grease or grime. Look at that. Wow. It's like 20 years of stuff.
nice.
I wonder if those even worked.
It preserves your wheel cylinder.
Oh,
It
it's,
can't leak if it's fully
Preservative.
It's an external gasket. Right. That's what it is. Yeah.
the other side, though, has not moved. We'll see if we can get that off.
Yeah. Here it goes. Try what I did where I put some muscle in it.
Oh, I don't have any, so it's gonna be hard to do.
Oh, nice. Oh, that one looks good. This one does not have any of this stuff in it.
So we know this
Wow.
one wasn't working.
Yay!
Progress.
Well,
Finally.
at least that step didn't take the entire night.
I know, right?
It's an improvement.
All right, so brake line's got to come off. We already undid, I think, the clutch linkage the first time we tried to get this out. And then we should maybe consult the book, but start undoing bolts.
Is
All
the
right.
starter wiring undone?
Oh, good news. It's been Raptor lined.
Okay. Hey, you're not gonna have an exhaust leak, so that's a plus.
Right.
So take that wing nut off.
Hey, look, your son's
More help. Did you hear how much trouble we were having and you had to show up to help us out? Yeah.
Yeah.
So Mark's son Max also here to help today because this thing is coming out one way or another.
Seems like a vital part.
It's like a Formula One pit stop.
Alan is now an archaeologist trying to dig through the layers of Raptor liner. So this is, we could not get that nut off like the first time we tried to do this. Alan does it in like a minute.
So you gotta think, what tools existed when this car was built?
That
You
guy.
didn't have the fancy floppy heady ratchet
No.
Tech 10. Yeah, this thing was built with these things.
Wow. You didn't just round that bolt off, did you? Because I see there's pickle beers over there.
Ah.
No, I mean it was tight when I put it on, but it was all the Raptor, but it didn't.
Yeah.
It didn't hurt the bolt at all.
A likely story.
Nah, the bolt didn't even scream.
Yeah, it didn't. It didn't do anything.
Ow! It's my head again. Literally everyone else is doing all the work, not me.
You know what I find exciting is the
Did you miss a washer?
angle of the spring plate.
No, it just didn't have any.
Well, no, it's because it's down. Like it
this
comes in when it
down?
goes down, you know, and then goes
so
back
it'll
up.
slide off of that nicely.
Oh yeah. Uh-huh.
It's not like holding.
Can you bang me?
Oh, maybe.
I gotta stop.
What's
getting-
wrong with you, Clay?
Things are getting, you know,
He's beating things off. Now he's asking.
I don't think we've ever had. So I've been working on cars in this garage for a while now. We have never had this many people in the garage. So you, I think, have some friends that are coming to help you out. You know what? Alan didn't even know this guy until tonight, and he's here helping.
I love it.
It's a green Volkswagen.
It is true. This thing isn't gonna run for years.
Just like my green Volkswagen.
Yeah. All right, one of two big bolts, or nuts, bolts, I don't know, coming out. Ooh, I saw movement. It wants to come out.
Yeah, it wants to.
All right, so next part, I think we need to lower it down to the ground so the whole thing doesn't just fall out.
And last week we took the flux capacitor out.
Good.
Yeah.
So we're-
Crucial.
Yeah.
we're good.
Yeah, sky
Crucial.
hook.
Yeah.
We engage the sky hook. Do
Yeah.
we have the bucket of steam?
What?
The bucket. Do you have the bucket of steam? Someone's got to go to the steam room.
You didn't bring this.
Is it my turn?
So we think there's only one bolt holding this all in, so we're gonna let it down under the bolt, let it out. But I guarantee we didn't disconnect everything. There's something up there that's gonna hold it up, but you know, that'll take another 2 hours to figure out.
Okay, but for real, you're thinking that when we undo this bolt, the whole thing's gonna drop because
No, you
this
gotta-
is
No,
still
it'll-
structural.
You gotta put a,
The
yeah,
transmission might tilt.
yeah. You're supposed to jack it up and then pull it out.
Okay.
Right.
I don't think it's.
When you say jack it
I
up,
don't
it's
think
like
gonna
a
fall.
quarter of an inch. The only question is all the Raptor liner, you're just gonna hold it on there.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, we're at least told to just lift things.
That's
It
it.
can be a 40 if you have like a.
And yank.
They're all.
Oh, there it goes. Hey, Clay, you wanna get that brake drum over there? Something fall on his head.
Grab it by the spindle over there.
Yeah.
What am I doing?
Yeah,
hold-
just
just
yeah,
hold it.
grab that brake
spindle,
drum.
grab the
and
spindle.
just balance
Okay.
it.
You're just gonna keep it level. Okay. Or you can do that.
I mean, we're free.
Kind of.
Free adjacent.
Can we kind of? Are we trying to pull it out right now?
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe kind of wiggle.
Oh yeah,
there it
look at
goes.
that. Whoa!
That's why they call me the engineer.
Yeah.
It's stop. It's the.
There you go.
It's the.
Oh, what is that?
It's
That's the thing we didn't undo.
That's the thing.
Wow.
That's the thing. Where is it? I don't even
It's right
see
there.
it.
It's right
got
there. We knew that was gonna happen. What is
There
that
was at
thing?
least one thing.
I don't know what that is.
It's a thing. The good thing is
that-
just a wing nut now is not like holding the entire half of the
Can you pull on this cable?
assembly. I would help, but I'm
It's free.
filming.
No, it's free. It'll.
Here,
Put the
just,
shaft on that other jack and we can raise the
here,
car
dude,
back
just
up.
no, just put it on
Here,
the
put
wood.
this piece of wood right here. Just lay it down. You just lay it on the cement. There we go.
There we go. All right.
Look at that. It only fell a little bit. How is it under there? Pretty good.
Man down there.
What? All right, so that's the last nut we couldn't get off when we started all this. Let's see if this comes off. The heck?
Brake line.
No, just it's
gotta
a
be
bigger
down
socket
here.
now. You went.
Somebody pull on that. See if we just,
Go ahead, Max.
This?
Yep.
yeah, the whole
yeah,
thing.
We're trying to pull the shoulder
See if it
out.
comes out.
Pull it out like
Not so much. Oh.
Coming. Yo, you broke it.
Oh, wait.
No,
You
you
did?
gotta get the next one. There's another plate.
I think.
Yeah, there's another plate. Another ring, man.
No. All right, well, transmission is out. Turns out it takes a lot more to actually get the axles out of there, a lot more than you would think. But that only took like a month and a half. It did.
It took 45 minutes. I saw it happen. What do you people are talking about?
No, so yeah, it's come along. We'll get that. We're just gonna stand it upright on a pallet and send it off to get rebuilt. It'll be fine. Don't worry about it.
My hands are dirty.
Oh my gosh. Go wash your hands.